So this is after we clipped our budgie's wings. As you can see, Cosmo is still upset. He's not coming out the cage. He did put up a fight. He was biting like hell. Hard bites. He was biting the crap out of my husband. Princess, for the most part, did not put up a fight. She did not bite. She took it like a champ. So we're just here and we're waiting patiently for their flight cage to be delivered from Amazon to see if that would actually lighten them up a little bit. I mean, for the most part, you can see that Princess is already lit up. She's moving around. She's on top of the cage in the play area, which I'm going to create another play area once we receive the flight cage, which you guys will see in the next video. So they were in this cage for 2 weeks, because this is day 13. We purchased the budgies December 26th, the day after Christmas. So yeah, they were in this cage for 2 weeks, and in the beginning they were nice and calm, and they just got so unruly. They would bite, not nip, bite. They were acting like wild dogs. Yeah, but I mean, once we clipped their wings, instantly we took away their power. Instantly they became very calm, and they're not so frigid. Well, Princess is not so frigid. Cosmo has not gone to the top of the cage as yet. He's doing his own thing inside of the cage. As you can see, Princess, she's having fun. She's drinking from her water fountain. She almost did not realize that her wings got clipped. But yeah, once they gain their flight back, we're not going to clip their wings anymore. This was just for taming purposes. If they were not doing what they were doing and flying around and giving a hard time to go in their cage, hours. Like I was saying to my husband, oh my God, we're so lucky that, it's COVID and, we're in the house, because if I was supposed to be going to work, to how long it took us to get them back in the cage, I would have to call out. It was crazy. So, yeah. My kids were upset in the beginning, but my son said, Mommy, oh my God, they're so calm. I'm happy you did it. I'm happy you did it. That's my 9-year-old. He's obsessed with the budgies. These are not my first budgies, but these are his first budgies. Okay, all right. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time, peace.